Hey guys, welcome to O Yellow Circle. Today in this video tutorial, I will share with you how to wrap tags in Adobe Illustrator, and also we are going to create a professional to-do watch. And so first I have taken a 4 size artboard, and then I will go to the rectangular tool and I will create one more to this according to the size of artboard. So here is the value. I will just put the value here. Now we will align this rectangular according to the artboard, right? Then we will again go to the rectangular tool. On that subcategory, we will find the ellipse tool. We will take that and we will hold the shift key and drag to increase the size of circle. And we will change the color of the circle, right? Also, we are going to align this according to the artboard. Now we need to just add a gradient in the circle. So I will go to the saturation or appearance, and then I will use this gradient, and then I will go to the gradient section and I will change this white. This also double tap it and then you will get this, and just here you can see radial gradient. Click to this and here you can see. Then reduce the opacity. I will keep it around 50%, at least 50 or 49. That's fine. That's totally depends on you, like how you want to present the ad or something, whatever the creative you are creating. I think 49 is more visible, so I will just 30. It's fine. Not so bold. So now we will just again go to the rectangular tool and take this rectangular, and I will change the color of it, remove the gradient. So I have to go to the appearance and or something, or I will change the color. As you can see here, we will try to launch this. And now I will place this here, right? Now we will take this context and put this here, right? Here we have the logo and we will put this on the top, right? Then we will take our object and we will put this in the center, and we will go to the object and click to wrap text. In that section, click to make. Now we can see here we have created, but the thing is text is not looking trendy. So here again click this and go to the object, wrap text wrap options, and either we can increase it or decrease it. It's up to you. So I'm decreasing it. 6 is fine for me. And now I will just decrease the size of font. I think 14 is fine for me. And this also look nice. So, and also we will just try to play with this. We will try to, I will make, making the group, and then I will try to align this in the center. Again, I'm taking this ellipse tool and making the size bigger, and I'm putting this little down here. because we are selling a watch, so it must be low in focus. And so increasing the size of logo. And now you learn the how to wrap text in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial till the end. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's keep me motivated to create more such content. Also check out the description. Please do follow me on Instagram.